I have a second channel, Cube Compium TDX. Hey everybody, it's time for a tech room update. So here we're in the new home and I am working on getting the new tech room set up. It's a little bit of a process because, well, as you can see, I've been working on other parts of the home. Got the TV mounted up there now. But anyway, so things are starting to come together here with the new tech room. You can see got the table set up. Got the plexi sitting right there. But I'm still thinking through how I'm going to set everything up here. I'm thinking I'm going to have the typical setup right here with the overhead lights and stuff hung from right there. I'm going to have this, well, it was a dresser. You can see the drawers, I pretty much had it. I'm going to probably convert this into like a shelving unit or something where I can put stuff right in here, and that goes on top of it. I think about putting that right there, so that way I can sit right here and of course film stuff as usual. Here we got this closet. Still in the works of figuring out how I'm going to set it up. So most of the tech room stuff, well, a lot of it, I mean, a lot of that stuff is still out in the building. It's out there in the building. But I want to get this set up first before I start bringing stuff in. Because once I start bringing stuff in from out there, it's going to really fill things up a bit. But what's nice is I got this area over here also. My dad's got a couple of extra tables. He said I could use one. So I have to go look and see what it's got. And I may set up a table over here. Not sure if it'll be a table for doing computer work, but nonetheless it'll be a table. But I think most of my videos will be done right there. Things are going to be set up a little different than how they were in the single wide. As you may know, when I moved into the single wide in 2016, I kind of, at least as far as this table goes, I kind of mirrored the setup that I had in my parents' house a long time ago in my old bedroom. I had that set of drawers right here on the side with the two Clancy's boxes with the power supplies and motherboards and stuff. I'm going to put that somewhere else now to give me a little more space on this table. And same goes for this tool chest. I'm going to have that probably set up inside that, which will be again right here. So it's nice having more room. It really is, guys. In the single wide it was pretty tight, and I tell you what's funny is when I moved into the single wide, it was like, oh, this room. And back then it was a big deal because moving out of my parents' house, I was able to split up the bedroom from the computer shop. I mean, I was doing computer work for the most part out of my bedroom, which it was tight. But the tech room in the single wide was the second bedroom in the, of course, in the single wide. And the thing I didn't like about it was, well, for one, the bathroom was right inside there. It took up space. So if I had guests, I would have had to walk right through the tech room to get to the bathroom. I mean, now it was having it was kind of nice having a bathroom right there because I had an exhaust fan. If I was doing any soldering, I could just go and flip on that fan and it would ventilate everything. Whereas here, in order to ventilate, I'd have to crack this door open. More than likely what I'll do is I'll set up a carbon filter setup in here. For when I'm soldering, I can run it and it'll filter the smoke out of the air. I mean, or the last option would be to install like a bathroom exhaust fan in the ceiling, which I don't plan on doing. I mean, the opportunity for that had done come and gone, I'm afraid, because, well, it hadn't come and gone. It's just, I just had a new roof put on the home, and I had a new exhaust fan installed in the master bathroom because it didn't have one before, and I had to run a vent through the roof, and the roofers installed that when they installed the new roof, so it was kind of convenient. But I mean, I guess I could have a side venting one, but anyways, I don't plan on doing that. But we got this closet right here, which is really nice. See, the single wide, the closet and the front bedroom in a single wide was like, here's the door and here's the wall. It was like maybe that much. It wasn't much at all. And I had It wasn't this shelving unit. It was another one I got. The shelves stick out about that far. I had that situated inside there, and I mean it wasn't a whole lot of space. And of course, again, that bathroom took up a lot of space in that room. So it was like, I want to say like 13 foot by 10 or 12 feet. Not, and of course the bathroom was taking up some of that. So it's nice having a 3-bedroom home now, because now this room is going to be the tech room. And so if y'all didn't know, I actually had to, when I filed for a building permit for this place, I had to not call this a bedroom. Why? That's because the septic system on this property was built for the 2-bedroom single wide that was here. When the single wide was pulled onto the lot, the lot didn't have well or septic in, and they had well and septic installed, and the septic was built for a 2-bedroom. But anyways, now we still have that same septic system, but city water. But walk in here, you can see, like for example, this here. This is what I had my memory and stuff in. Let me see if it's still in there. Yeah, it's all still in there actually. So I did keep it in there. So I'll be taking this in there. And of course, some of these boxes are tech room things. It's kind of a mix of stuff, really. I got some shelving units over there. I of course had to break those down to get them out of the single wide. And now I'm not so sure if I'm going to even reuse them, because I got some actual like shelves, like bookcases in a trailer out there that I may be putting in here. So it's maybe actually be putting them in the closet there. I don't know for sure. But yeah, guys, it's a fun little thing to figure all this out. It's funny because, I mean, of course, single wide, it was a little different. Didn't have a back door accessing outside on that, which is really, this is the interesting thing, is having a back door where you can just go right outside. I mean, it's a nice thing, because if I'm doing computer services and I have someone come over to pick up a computer, or someone to drop off a computer, and they want to like come in and walk through the issues with me, I don't have to bring them through my house. I can shut this door and I can have them come up the back deck and come right inside here, which I think, like I say, it's really nice. Not having to have people come through your private residence. Anyways, I think that about wraps up for now. And you can see we just had a winter storm this past weekend. Winter Storm Izzy, as the Weather Channel called it. So we got the snow and ice is all melting. And the funny thing is now they're saying this coming Friday. So this storm came through last weekend. It came through Sunday, Saturday night to Sunday, and Sunday night it wrapped up. But now Friday we may have another chance of snow. Interesting stuff, guys. Interesting stuff. So anyways, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Well, everybody, that's it for this video. But don't forget, there's a lot more interesting stuff on the channel to check out. Also, if this is your first time visiting this channel, feel free to subscribe to keep your channel. And also, don't forget to tick the bell so that way you'll get notified of new video posts. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. But if you really didn't like it, there is the alternative option available as well. Also, feel free to check out my second channel, CubeComp MTDX. There you'll find videos about bicycling, weather, elevator tours, and all sorts of other neat, interesting stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to come back, and thank you for your support.